reclining third row, adjustable pedals, power seat, power doors, nice tires, excellent interior space, great on gas, and only one owner. Welcome to Vicaine Evers Chevrolet. Imagine yourself behind the wheel of this good-looking 2010 Chrysler Town & Country. Awarded Consumer Guides rating as a 2010 minivan Best Buy. This Town & Country will take you where you need to go every time. All you have to do is steer. Visit www.realdeal.com W708E to view a free price check.